In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and configure site search on Ghost, third-party or front-end. We're going to add a search link to your site's navigation so visitors can quickly find content. This approach works with themes that include front-end search or that hook into a third-party search script, and it only takes a minute. First, open your browser and search for Ghost CMS if you need a quick path to documentation or to jog your memory on the admin URL. Then head to your Ghost admin area, the place where you manage your site. Click through to your admin and log in to your dashboard. You'll land on the main Ghost interface, where we can adjust the site's navigation. Next, go to Settings, then open Navigation. This is where you control the links that appear in your site's header or footer. You'll see Primary Navigation at the top, which usually displays in your main menu, and Secondary Navigation, which often appears in the footer. Decide where you want your search link to live. Most sites place it in the primary navigation, so it's easy to find. Add a new navigation item and give it a clear label like Search. You can choose any label that matches your brand voice, such as Find or Explore, but Search is the most recognizable for visitors. In the URL field, enter Jair Search. That hash-based URL is important. Instead of taking users to a separate page, it acts as a trigger that many Ghost themes and search scripts listen for. When someone clicks it, your theme's front-end code can open a search overlay, slide out, or modal, depending on how your theme handles search. If your theme integrates a third-party provider, that link will typically invoke that provider's interface. Save your changes. After saving, a new search link will appear in your selected navigation area. Visit your site to confirm it's visible and positioned where you want it. If you'd like to move it, return to the navigation screen and drag it to reorder. When you click the link on the front end, you should see the search UI appear. If nothing happens, your theme may not have search enabled out of the box. Consult the theme's documentation to ensure its search feature or third-party integration is turned on. That's all there is to it. You've added a clean, reliable search entry point that works with front-end or third-party search solutions supported by your Ghost theme, giving your visitors a faster way to get to the content they need.